Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenaga Nongjngohkai Timothy Dishira henigasngi ulong baga Jingthmu jong ka sarkar ban bu jakabam lane ka food court haumling riboy district kadiban a jakai kinongwan shangkai perthei hakapor bakidang Shah Talasi ne pendrung kerteng haka tourist registration center habakaran shikilat patai khobor Timothy ulong baga Jingthmu jong Ketenaga Nongjngohkai kadiban don ki kamra Pyndonkam kinongwan shangkai perthei bat ka tourist registration center haumling Timothy ulong banalor ka jakabam lane ka food court kindan ruat di kamera nakabenta ka Pyndonkam jong ki officer katanat ki ban pendung kerteng lane Talasi ya ki nongban shangkai perthei ki bahab banwan shwa shakani ka jaka hashwa bandrong shapo ka jila Meghalaya ladaki wan nari bhai district ka Jingthmu jongi kalong bandan art ki kamera banle eki kam office ban pendung kerteng ya ki nongban shangkai perthei bat hakapor ba pendung kerteng ka tuani por anshimpor kumta hak takapor kinong Nongjngohkai kidon kam ban bam ni shong ja that badai namar kata ngilamang ban bu ka jaka bam lani ka food court ha umling ribhai district loong Timothy loong baka tourist registration center kanlong kum ke inline permit kumbalale hakiwe ke jila kum hanagalan hak baki brio ki barung shakti ke jila kidon kam ban pendung kerteng yelade Uloong baka Pyndonkam bandan ya ke tourist registration center ke dinamar bating-ting omla bantip lagi brio kiwan Shah Meghalaya kum kinongwan shangkai perthei ni kiwan banle kam sniu hagadur jong Nongjngohkai kumtang isngo baka long Pyndonkam yagi ban bishal banya ikikot kisla jongki lagi Kadei shisha kinong shong shnong ba shisha jong kari India ni kiwan na kiwai pat kiri Badada kumta hidon ne em yikikot kisla kibabiang uloong. Menteri ula pentip ru baka tenat kadon ya ke tourist registration center hari luam garo kata habera buri bad hakani ke jakaru kadon ke jakabam bad ke jaka shong that na kabenta kinawan shangkai perthei kibadang pendung kerteng haka center. Habede baka jing persha ke Khasi Students Union Menteri ula yathu banakaliang ke office deputy commissioner kaladap banyak keren bad ke KSU Bat kala kerpat ru banom penthut ya kakam badang pentrei.
Umling at that I will not make a comment because you say if I make a comment, then it will develop into a controversy. So I don't have any comment on that.
What sort of controversy, sir?
Our plan is to make it a facility center plus registrations of the tourists. And we have, in our fund, we have provided at least 2 rooms for doing this official work. So registering the tourists. And at a time, we say our registration, some time will be taken. So in that time, you see, whatever they have to spend waiting for the registration, they can enjoy at the same time. So we are providing the facilities for this like a restaurant. That's all only.
Just like, will the government hold talks with the KSU to like resolve the matter, sir?
Beg your pardon? In fact, you see, at the official level, there was a talk. There was a talk. DC has called them, the KSU member, request them not to disturb the work. But what is their decision that I do?
So they'll be registering.
It will be a tourist registration center. Because you see, in the name of tourists, there's many people may be coming to do something. So in order to check their intention, whether they are coming as a tourist with whole intention, or they are coming in the guise of tourists, say, to do some harm. That is necessary for us. Because you will have to examine their paper, whether it actually is genuine residents of India or from other countries having a proper document or not.
So does it mean that?
This is like almost like a ILP, no? In a land permit. When we go to Nagaland, they say everybody has to go through this inner line permit system.
But sir, like
there's whatever the court prohibition, I think Meghalaya government has replied. No?
The alternative that the government has said that they will.
These are the mechanism government is going to adopt. So having a place for registration, checking those tourists coming into Meghalaya. Even in government also we have constructed a house building at Birubari. That also will be done like that. You see, we have some restaurant there, and at the same time we have some registration officer out there to check the proper to the tourists whether they are coming in with proper document or not.
So, do you agree with this?
The government doesn't have a proper mechanism to check the illegal, say, influx. Say. Now there is infiltration check, and what more checking is required? So now you see, infiltration check at plus this checking at least checkpoint, and what more is a system is very required.
But then many Garo Hills NGOs have claimed and there's an increase of
I don't know
Bangladeshis.
what is their opinion because you see, I don't I'm not I don't know what is their intention and how they are saying like this. You see, it's up to them to say so. I have no any comment on that. You see.